to the Creative World Tour. Today, Leo, Maya, Zara, Rio, and Nia are traveling to Asia to explore the beautiful harmony of colors. They'll learn Japanese calligraphy, Chinese lantern making, and Indian classical dance. Get ready for an adventure full of creativity, culture, and inspiration. Our friends arrive in the bustling city of Tokyo, where the streets are lined with colorful lights, traditional buildings, and modern art displays. Their first stop is a peaceful calligraphy studio filled with brushes, ink, and scrolls.
This studio feels so calm, like it's inviting us to create something amazing.
Look at all the beautiful characters on the walls. Each one tells a story.
Their teacher, Sensei Takumi, welcomes them with a bow.
Welcome to the art of Japanese calligraphy. Here, each brushstroke is like a heartbeat. It reflects your thoughts and emotions.
Sensei Takumi demonstrates how to paint the kanji character for creativity. The friends eagerly try their hand at it.
This brush is harder to control than my drumsticks. But it's so satisfying.
My character looks like a dancing rainbow. Can I add some color?
In calligraphy, simplicity is powerful. Let your brush tell your story.
They each create a scroll to take home, realizing that even simple strokes can express big ideas. Next, the friends travel to Beijing, where they visit a workshop filled with colorful lanterns of all shapes and sizes. Their guide, Mr. Wei, greets them with materials to create their own lanterns.
Lanterns are more than decorations. They carry wishes and light up our dreams. Let's create one together.
The friends gather around a table filled with paper, ribbons, and brushes. They design lanterns inspired by their adventures.
I'm painting cherry blossoms on mine. They remind me of spring.
I'm adding musical notes. My lantern will sing through the night.
I'm making mine a swirl of colors, like a dance in the sky.
They carefully assemble their lanterns, stringing them with ribbons and attaching a small light inside. When the lanterns are finished, they release them into the evening sky, watching their creations float gently above the city.
It feels like we're sending our dreams into the stars.
Their next stop is Mumbai, India, where they visit a vibrant dance studio. The sound of tabla drums and sitars fills the air as their teacher, Ms. Meera, shows them the basics of Bharatanatyam, a traditional Indian dance.
Bharatanatyam is more than movement. It's a story told through your body, expressions, and rhythm. Let's begin with the basics.
Maya follows, her hands forming delicate. Zara takes the lead, copying Ms. Meera's graceful steps, gestures, while Leo tries to keep up with the rhythm of the tabla.
This is harder than drumming, but it's so much fun.
The movements feel like poetry. I love how expressive this is.
Ms. Meera teaches them how to tell a short story using dance, and they perform it together, feeling the connection between art and culture.
Dance here feels like acting, music, and painting all in one.
To end their journey, the friends visit a peaceful Zen garden in Kyoto. They walk along gravel paths surrounded by trees and stone sculptures and reflect on their adventure.
This garden feels like a painting come to life. Everything is so balanced.
It's amazing how art here isn't just about creating. It's about feeling and connecting.
They sit together, sketching and journaling about their experiences, capturing the beauty of Asia's harmony of colors. As the sun sets, the friends decide to combine what they've learned into a final performance. Maya creates a colorful, lantern-inspired backdrop. Zara choreographs a dance. Leo and Rio add a rhythm using drums and guitar, and Nia narrates a story inspired by their journey.
This is our best creation yet. It's like we brought all of Asia's art forms together.
The performance ends with applause from the locals, who thank them for sharing their creativity and respect for the culture. As they prepare to leave, the friends gather for one last reflection.
Asia showed us how art can be graceful, colorful, and full of meaning.
Every brushstroke, dance step, and lantern had a story to tell. I feel like we've learned to see art in everything around us,